Hi guys! So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some delicious, filling, nutritious, easy to make breakfast recipes that you can actually make ahead of time. Meaning on Sunday or Monday, whatever day you regularly do your meal prep, you can make all of these and eat them throughout the week. Super easy. So let's get started. Because enchiladas for breakfast are always a good idea, that's the first thing we're going to be making. Start by cutting a sweet potato into cubes. Heat oil in a skillet and add the sweet potatoes. Add smoked paprika and sea salt and give that a stir. Place the lid on the pan and let the potatoes cook on medium-low heat. In the meantime, chop your onions and garlic. Also, slice a bell pepper and a zucchini. The sweet potatoes need about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Once they're tender, remove them from the pan and set aside. Into the pan, add a little bit more oil, then add the onions and garlic and bell pepper and saute until the onion and pepper softens. Sprinkle a little salt over that too. Add the zucchini and continue to cook until it's tender. Cut firm tofu into cubes. Then add that to the pan. Mash the tofu in the pan with a fork. I find that this makes for an easier cleanup and tastier tofu. Add turmeric powder, sea salt, and nutritional yeast and stir. Add in some kale or spinach and cook until that is tender and cooked down. Lastly, stir in the cooked sweet potato. Now we can fill our flour tortillas with the scramble filling. As you fill them, place them into the baking dish. This should make 8 enchiladas, about 4 days worth for one person, or 3 if you're me. Top with salsa. I'm using a store-bought salsa here. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. If you're making this in advance, you can simply reheat in the microwave or the oven. This one is unbelievably easy. Farro Porridge. You can use your Instant Pot or your stove to cook the farro that you can use throughout the week as a simple yet filling and tasty porridge. Simply add 1 cup of farro and 2 cups of water to the Instant Pot. Add a pinch of salt and stir. Pressure cook for 10 minutes, then natural pressure release for 5 minutes before quick releasing. When you're ready to eat it, serve the farro with plant milk, your favorite sweetener, cinnamon, dried fruit, these are goji berries, nuts and seeds, I'm using pumpkin seeds, and bananas or any other fresh fruit. So if you make all 3 of these recipes this week, you'll have probably a little bit of bonus food too. So if you want to use that farro for something else, do it. It's great on salads. I'll share some links to other farro recipes down below. Now we're going to make our tahini granola. In a mixing bowl, combine tahini, which is sesame seed butter, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and sea salt. Stir in old-fashioned oats, chia seeds, and chopped walnuts or any other nut or seed. Spread evenly onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes, stirring halfway through. Let it cool completely before eating. It will harden and become crispy once it's totally cool. I love to eat granola as a snack, but when I eat it for breakfast, I like it in a parfait with vegan yogurt and fresh berries. Just layer the yogurt, granola, and berries to make this easy breakfast. Breakfast parfait is perfect for on-the-go breakfast because you can put a lid on it and just take it with you. I like to eat in the car, which I know is not good, especially when I'm driving, but you know, I'm just saying, if I gotta go, I gotta go. So breakfast parfaits are perfect for that. You can also eat it as a snack. Just make sure you can keep it in the refrigerator if you don't eat it like within an hour. Hope you guys enjoyed these super simple breakfast recipes that you can make ahead of time. I know a lot of people get hung up on what to eat for breakfast, especially when you're vegan. To be totally honest, if you've seen my What I Eat in a Day videos, you already know that I pretty much eat toast or steel-cut oats that I make in the Instant Pot every single day. Oh, or Farro Porridge. Those are 3 of my favorite things I like to eat for breakfast. They're super easy, but I can see how you can get bored of that. So these different recipes are really nice to switch things up. And I like these recipes because not only can you eat them for breakfast, but you can eat them throughout the day, especially the parfait or the enchiladas, which I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. So I hope you make all of these. If you love and you want to support Sweet Potato Soul, make sure you send this video to a friend or family member. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And of course, leave this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy your breakfast and all your other meals throughout the day. Make sure you check out that meal plan or meal prep video that I did last week as well, because this one goes with that. Okay? Have a great week. Bye.